You want to weigh your bucket?
Okay.
Put it on there. We'll see how much it weighs.
Let's see. Oh my goodness, it weighs pretty much nothing. We'll say a 1/8 of a pound.
Come on, Levi, let's
Let's pick blueberries.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick some blueberries. There's the blueberries. Are you excited?
Yes. I'm excited too.
Okay, I didn't ask you, but okay. Are you excited, Levi?
Yeah.
Good. Oh my goodness!
Hooray!
Look at how many blueberries. Wow.
See, one bush and my bucket's full.
And that's all the blueberries. That's amazing.
All right, start picking.
I'm just sitting at this one bush and I'm gonna get my bucket all the way full.
Crazy.
Look at how many there are.
That's why I like the bush with the most.
There are so many.
Sally, why did you move when there's so many?
Oh my goodness. Do you see how many blueberries there are?
Perfect spot.
Levi, oh my goodness. How many blueberries did you get? Did you count them?
No.
Well, can you go ahead and count them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's a lot.
Look how big this blueberry is.
Oh, yeah, that's a good
And
size
I got-
blueberry.
I found one that's like this big.
Oh my goodness. There's so many. We've been here for all of what, 5 minutes? Sometimes when you find a branch like this that has a whole bunch, you just grab the whole thing and kind of pull, and they all kind of just pop off. And then you have a whole handful.
I got my blueberries.
You got your blueberry bucket?
Yeah.
Sure. You pick all of the ones over here, and we'll pick all of the ones over there.
Okay.
This is crazy.
My gosh, Mom, you have a lot.
Well, yeah, it's hard not to have a lot around here.
Look, this ginormous one.
It's a ginormous one? Oh, you stinker. You need to put some in your bucket too.
Yeah, I need to still eat them.
Yeah, you do need to still eat them. And no one has to worry, these are no spray blueberries.
Yes.
So say, don't worry people. No comments, please.
No, please. I'm already gonna eat half the blueberries before we even done picking.
No, you're not. No, you're not, you stinker.
Trudy, what if when we get home, we'll probably never get home.
We're just gonna pick blueberries forever? Good, in a place like this.
Yes. I got ginormous.
That is ginormous. Can you put one in your bucket? At least just put one in.
You see this?
There you go.
Look at this ginormous.
Look at that ginormous.
Don't eat one that's green. I ate one that was all green,
Really?
and it was so sour. You think of berry and try to guess it. Nope. Nope. It can be any fruit. It doesn't have to be a berry. A cucumber. Nope. Levi, you should just put some in your bucket.
Oh, don't step on my blueberries. Hang on. Hey, clean these up, please. Clean up the blueberries that you spilled, please.
Yes, Mom.
Getting a few?
Yeah. Just a few.
Just a few.
Not that much.
We're running out of buckets. We should have brought more, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to come back. Maybe in the evening or in the morning tomorrow when it's nice and cool.
Come back and get some blueberries.
And we'll come back and we will fill our freezer this year. That's going to be so exciting. No need to buy blueberries at Costco for another entire year, I think, with this kind of blueberry harvest. I just bought let's see, did I? No, I just bought strawberries at Costco, not blueberries. Good, because we don't need any after this. And these are better than Costco. These are fresh, organic, delicious, local. You what?
Yummy. I don't want to be out here.
Are you getting too hot now?
Yeah.
Yeah, the sun's pretty strong right now. We're gonna go pretty soon.
Me too.
You've been very strong picking all these berries. Maybe you could sit underneath a bush so you're in the shade.
Yeah.
That would be a good idea. Maybe that one over there. Do you see that one over there by your bucket? You could sit down underneath there and pick some berries and stay in the shade.
I picked one or three.
Well, you could pick more than 3.
See,
Put them in your bucket?
Yes.
You're welcome.
I'll do some more.
Okay, do more.
I'll do more.
Well, I'm gonna get this handful right here. Look at that.
Down.
It's just like a handful of blueberries right there. They're all perfect.
Mom, put
They're
some
all
in.
perfect.
Mom, let's do some more.
Yeah, let's get some more. You get some too.
Yeah.
I don't need to be the one doing all the work around here. I got a leaf, yeah. We don't eat blueberry leaves, do we?
Yes.
That would be silly.
Mom, I might make this full and I'll put it in car.
Yeah, let's get it full and we'll go pay for it and we'll put it in the car. That'll be great.
Okay. And then with these, it's in shade. Then it's hot out here.
It is hot out here.
That one is hard to strap it with the booster.
I think we are filled to the max just about here.
We got blueberries for life.
We got another one of
For
these
life.
buckets under here.
Yeah, under here.
Can you
Yep.
see you? Because I want to be close.
Oh! And there's still billions and millions.
We gotta go weigh them and see what they all weigh.
Really?
Really see how many we have.
Find that many, Mom.
You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna find that many?
Find money? Oh, I gave them money so that we could take the blueberries home.
Oh.
We don't want to leave them here, do we?
Yeah.
After all that work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I
You want blueberries in your hand?
want, no, I want some money in my hand.
Yeah, me too, but we had to give the money for the blueberries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, look at this. Look at this sweaty-headed boy. You were working so hard in the blueberry fields, your hat got all sweaty. So we ended up with 26 pounds of berries here, and they charge only $1 a pound, which is the cheapest I've ever seen a U-Pick place. But I rounded up to $30 because I wanted to make sure we paid for all that Levi ate and the rest of us. Very happy with this haul, and we will definitely be back to that blueberry farm again. I think we're gonna put most of these in the freezer and keep out some for fresh eating, and then we will be able to use these all year long. Can you guys explain the game, the blueberry game? All right, how about Renee explains it since your mouth is full. All right, Renee, how's this work?
So everybody walks away except for one player when it's the player's turn, and then the player
Just having the turn.
gets blueberries while they're looking away and puts them in their mouth and
So only
they look back and
so
then
only they know how many blueberries are in their mouth. The other players don't know how many blueberries are in their mouth.
and then they try to guess.
And then the other players try to guess. All
I'll
right.
explain.
Do you want to show? Charity already has some in her mouth. All right. So who's gonna guess first?
7.
9.
How many?
7.
It was exactly 7. Wow. Good job, Tal.
So now
All right. Now it's Renee's turn. Everybody look away.
wait.
All right. Camera, look away. All right. Everybody down in the comments, guess how many blueberries Renee has in her mouth. All right. We ready?
15.
15 and
12.
I'm gonna guess 8.
You.
How many was it?
6.
It was 6. Woohoo! I win.
That's how old you are.
Good job, Renee.
Yes.
So it's the next day and we went back again. We went a little earlier in the morning when it was not quite as hot and we got 20 more pounds. So I'm gonna say that over 2 days we picked a total of 50 pounds of blueberries, and that's probably underestimating because of how many this one ate. Well, all of us. We all ate a lot. And that's why we added a few extra dollars for the ones that they ate in the field.
It's red.
Save one for me.
Why do you have that? Uh-oh. So you should roll the dice and then eat how many blueberries it tells you to eat.
Okay.
Okay, roll it. Whoa. 3. Okay, get 3 blueberries. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 3. Don't eat any more.
Those are store-bought.
This is called homeschooling right here.
4.
You have to eat all 4 at the same time.
Hello.
All right, your turn, Renee. How many do you get? Oh, just 1. Get a bonus roll.
No.
We came home and Autumn made pancakes. It looks like somebody needs fresh blueberries and whipped cream on their pancake.
Whipped cream?
Yeah. What are you doing? Levi. What are you doing?
I'm eating them.
Are you eating them like a dog?
Yeah.
Are you Poey?
Yeah.
That looks gross.
Ow.
Now can you eat it like a chicken? How do chickens eat?
Papa, I didn't eat it.
They eat it with the nose. The beak. What, can you eat it with your beak? Do you have a beak?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Where's your beak? You're very silly. I'm just glad he didn't stick his face in one of these buckets. I'll say that right now.